I'm wondering where the devolved governments stand, Wales, Scotland. You're in a difficult position. You weren't necessarily for Brexit, but you have to play along.
Well, we voted in the referendum as a United Kingdom. Wales and England voted to leave the European Union. Of course, the outcome in Scotland, Northern Ireland was something different. But we will develop a Brexit that works not only for the whole of the UK, for every part of the UK, but also that works for the European Union. We've said we want this deep and special partnership with the European Union, but part of my reason to be here in New York today is about using the new establishment of the UK Board of Trade to ensure that we're seeking new investment opportunities, we're seeking to attract investment into the UK, to ensure that every part of the UK benefits from the new opportunities as we leave the European Union.
And that's great, and that is definitely the Tory party line, but Welsh people aren't necessarily full throttle when it comes to support for Brexit and the process. Why is Theresa May so against another referendum?
Well, there's an awful lot of noise out there at the moment, but we've had the referendum, there's been an outcome, and we have an obligation to deliver on that referendum. So if you look at exactly what's happening, if you look at investment that's come into the UK, it's pretty strong. If you look at economic growth, there was an uplift in the last quarter, and we're determined to deliver this smooth transition. We heard Jim Messina a little bit earlier on your show talking about the deals that are there. No one predicted that we would get such a positive deal last December at the European Council. Our focus now is March, is getting a transitional agreement arranged. And of course, negotiations do carry lots of predictions and commentary out there, but the Prime Minister is absolutely focusing on delivering that implementation period and then focusing on what the outcome will look like. And that's what much of these speeches will look from Cabinet colleagues over the coming weeks.